Okay, we've got a little bit of a mess around video here. I've managed to obtain myself an extremely cheap and cheerful knockoff Xbox One controller. I've just removed the 6 screws. So once all those screws are removed, just pry the case from it, and obviously you can see already just from the motherboard that this isn't from Microsoft. This isn't an Xbox original controller. So yeah, just going to start by taking it apart. Essentially all we're doing is just desoldering components and just sort of seeing what's what, really. And if you have any suggestions, then please leave them in the comment section below. Obviously if you haven't already, then please do subscribe. We are looking to build the channel a bit more, but I'm always open to suggestions. I'm looking to do some more videos involving batteries, more videos involving the Fiesta, but not just specifically to the Fiesta, it'll be for car videos in general. Right, now we've got all the buttons removed. We can see the motherboard for sort of what it is. Just going to get the sticks off and just remove the last of the screws so I can get the last of the plastic off. Okay, so we're first going to start by desoldering the shocks. I'm not entirely sure what they are. Also going to get rid of the top bumpers as well, and they're just 2 wires a piece for each of them, so just going to add a little bit of flux, a bit of solder to the end of my iron, and then they should come off nicely. And now they're all removed, we're just going to move them to one side. We're just going to focus on something else to take apart now. So there's plenty of components. There's the actual sticks themselves, the analogs. There's a D-pad, but that might be a little bit too big to be taken off. At least with this soldering iron anyway. But yeah, we're just going to start and take bit by bit off. Okay, I was trying to take these little MOSFET type things off. I'm using the heat for this, plenty of solder, plenty of flux, and I'm using the hot air, so hopefully that'll separate sometime soon. And now I'm just targeting a little capacitor. Just going to start taking components off, capacitor, resistors, all the minor little bits now. So a pair of tweezers and hot air, bit of flux, bit of solder, and that'll do the job nicely. And also going to have a go at taking the charger port off, and I'm just going to resolder it back on as well, just as a little bit of practice. And as you can see, I've also taken a few other bits off, like the main chip. I'm not sure what entirely that does, a few components, and what looks like a fuse. Just going to have a few more attempts at taking a few more bits off, but then after that I think I'll call it a day. But just give it a good clean up with the wick as well, just to get all the loose solder off so we can see all the pads.